Guess what? It arrived. I'm so excited. And I'm going to find a way to try to prop this up so you can see me open it, maybe. Sorry, guys. Alrighty. Oh, maybe not. Don't you just love that? Okay. Oh boy. I apologize. I'm never any good at opening stuff, so. Alrighty. Do you see it? Okie dokie. It's beautiful. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Oh, hang on. I can't see what I'm doing. Okay. Oh, Phal Pal Durrell. It's beautiful. Look at that. I was trying to figure out which to set it in. Ooh, it's going to feel lost in there. Yeah. Okie dokie. To kind of keep them in sterile areas. Okay. Sorry. That's a rock that's been cleaned. Ooh, that's too much. Yeah, story of my day. I always like giving them a little bit of rock. Well, I want to show you all this. It's just gorgeous. I'm going to let it have some water. Now, I may very well plant this one in some moss, but we shall see. Right now, I'm just going to enjoy it. In fact, I'll let it have some sunlight there. It's probably like, you know what? Don't want that big purple thing in the way. Oh, it's just so pretty. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And we will do an update on all of the orchids because they're kind of running amok right now. And yes, they are blooming. Oop, you know that's still too high. Last thing I want to do is drown them. No, thank you. Alrighty. There we go. Yeah, I don't want it to get overwatered. So it has arrived. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And I will keep everyone apprised. Plus, I still have to do a big update on all of the orchids that I do have that are blooming and running amok. So stay tuned. Everyone have a great Mother's Day. With COVID-19, we know we're going to win this battle. It's just taking time. Everybody stay safe out there. Love to you and your families. Thank you.